Hey everyone, I had this new machine hand delivered by the product and development manager from Cheyenne in Germany. He brought it to me about a month ago, early December, and it's the new Solnova Unlimited. I love this machine. It's the best machine I've ever used in tattooing. I love that it's just got a simple battery that can be replaced. The battery lasts for a whole session, plus it comes with an extra one. There's only one button to turn it on. That's amazing. I love that there's no cord, there's no power supply. You can turn it up by turning it up, you can turn it down by tilting it down. There's a give to it, or there's a direct hit. So there's two settings, and I think it's a perfect machine. Thanks, Cheyenne.